Okay, we are going to be replacing this handheld Clawfoot shower tub setup to this shower. We're going to give it a shower because this is what we have, all right? And then this is going to be the faucet, the mixing valve, all right? And this is where the riser pipe's going for the shower. Now this is deceiving. You know, you just get a small flow of water coming out of here, but it runs really well, which we'll demonstrate at the end. Okay. Tools needed, one large crescent wrench. All right, because we got to get to those bolts, not really bolts, but those connectors right there, and get the new one on. Let's do this. There you go. Now this is for the person that doesn't really know. You put your crescent wrench on there, you get it close, and then you tighten this up on the thumb screw right here. So you get a good tight fit so it's not loose and it's nice and snug. Alright, this has just a little bit of play, but that's as tight as I can get it. And that's how you want to do that. One thing you don't want to forget is to drain the system before you loosen anything. And it just stopped. Okay. Okay, when you're in this setup with your screws this way, it's lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. But in this situation, down is loosen. That loosens it. The down. See how tight that is? From tightening up that thumb screw. Okay, I cannot pull this off. So I got to loosen it just a bit and redo it. Retighten it. Right, you need your little drain bucket of some sort. Okay, faucet's out, mixing valve is out. There's your mixing valve. There's where this goes. And don't forget to screw these bolts back on or nuts back on, because if you forget them, you're going to have a problem down the road and you go to reuse it. Okay, the new mixing valve just slips right in here. This hits the wrong size. Oh, look at that. All right, let's get her tightened down. Okay, there's the mount for the wall for the shower ring. Here's the riser pipe. And so I'm going to take 100% silicone and go around the back side of this mixing valve where it meets the tub, because there is no rubber seal there at all. And there should have been, but there's not. So that's what I'm going to have to do to seal that in. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next part of this video with the completed shower ring up, where I'm going to go in the attic and put in a 2x6 backer board. It's going to go into the ceiling up here for the shower ring support for this to mount to right there. So it's going to be going to the ceiling. I'll be mounting a 2x6 in the attic for that to screw into to anchor it. That way it won't rip out. So stay tuned, and also stay tuned for the update on the custom Stump chair. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now, Ken. Stump chair footrest. And we'll be doing an update on this Stump chair. So stay tuned.